Hey guys, welcome to another segment of Digital Golgi Portfolio Creation. Today is March 29th, and the market has done pretty crappy today. Um, Bitcoin's down 6%, and everything else has just trailed. But good news is, this is an awesome point to get in. I mean, Ethereum is back at its price from, what's that? December. And this is when a lot of people really started getting into it. And if you look at the 7-day chart, it seems like volume is actually starting to pick up versus the price like trailing downwards, which is a good sign. It means they're starting to show support at this 400 level. Couple other coins that I'll be looking at are Neo and Request Network and OMG. All three of them had something like super significant pop up recently. Neo is that the ICO bans for China have been kind of lifted for the next ICO on Neo, which is NEX. That's like a super good sign for them because China was one of the huge political thwarts limiting Neo from popping off. So looking at Neo right now, it's down like somewhere between the degree of what Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it's almost at that same like December area. This is pretty amazing because people were coming in at the 100 area, and Neo really dropped 53. It's an awesome project, so it's something that I've been looking into a lot. Volume's not looking super great. Let's see if it starts to pick up. I think we'll be able to see a rise to kind of this like first is 60 area, the first resistance, and then we could see a rise to that 65. Neo is definitely one of those coins I'm looking at right now. Let's see, Request Network. So Request Network is cool. They've been growing low key. They're a payment platform, almost like PayPal, trying to take PayPal out of the game with crypto. Their community has really been growing strong, and now they're coming like really hitting the front page of our cryptocurrency with like their use cases, invoicing and payments like PayPal. Um, this is pretty interesting. It's like automation of jobs and how this can happen through crypto and like the blockchain network. I would definitely look into Request Network. See how their coin is doing today. So they're 83, which means I mean they're only 18 cents right now. The market cap is, where is it? It's only, what was that, 123 million. It's not much. It's a coin I really believe in, and like we could definitely see this huge run up that we saw in late December to January. What did that go from? Went from 30 cents to 70 something cents. We could definitely see that happen like midway through the year. As per today in this portfolio, the graph isn't looking super great, but it looks like it's at some low where it's going to form a little basin. So it's a coin I'm going to look into getting into. Let's look at the sentiment for the Reddits. If we look, Bitcoin and Ethereum are super positive, which is great, meaning that their Reddits are have some tangible information right now, have some fun stuff going. So go Neo. Neo's also positive. Request Network also positive, which is a great sign. If we like look into why it's positive, let's see. Popularity in Africa soars for Bitcoin. Um, McAfee, very inspired for Bitcoin, small business. Um, Looks like it's positive. Let's see. I'll probably get in now. I'll look to get in now. Let's see. Yeah, this is an awesome spot to get in at, especially on the hourly. Um, let's see what I think I'm in Binance. So yeah, this is a Binance chart. Perfect. What's really cool about this platform is I can see the amount of US dollars I have. So I have 100 US bucks. What is that on my portfolio? That's 28%. So per se, I want to put in 50 bucks into Bitcoin. Yeah, let's do that. So I'll put 50 buy in. And what's awesome is I can set like stop losses, trailing stop losses here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set a trailing stop loss. Pretty much the stop loss trails the actual price. So buy in, it's buying in that amount, $50 worth of Bitcoin. What's really cool is I can get into altcoins on this trading platform with US dollars. So I don't have to go from like Bitcoin into, or from US dollars into Bitcoin, then into the actual altcoin of it. Okay, cool. So while that's happening, I'm going to go to my terminal. Yeah, the trade was complete. Cool. So here I should be in that $50 of Bitcoin. I think I'm connected with my Binance and Bittrex exchanges. Yeah, awesome. There's my $50 of Bitcoin. It's my portfolio right now. Since we're talking about Request Network and Ethereum and Neo, I think those are coins I'm going to get in. Oh wait, I was also looking at OMG. Let's check out OMG. Yeah, this is down about the same amount as the same degrees in the out. It's also hitting a support band around this $9 area. Let's check out volume's upticking. So this is like Neo where the volume was up, or Ethereum. Ethereum where volume was upticking and the chart was just going down, showing that there is some support here at this like $9 band. So I think I'm just gonna go equally distributed right now in my portfolio with OMG, Neo, and Request. And then I'm going to get I'm gonna get some of my Binance into Ethereum. Cool. Oh wait, I was using this one, yeah. Okay, awesome. And Neo. And the really cool thing about this platform is that it's gonna do all the trades in the background for me. I just have to set the weights. So what's this? 43. So that's my Ethereum. I'll put $40 into Ethereum. And for my three other coins, I'm gonna set stop losses at 3% just to see, just to kind of see what happens. Okay, so I'm at 220. I'll put $50, 50 US dollars worth into my three alts. And yeah, just in case the market keeps tanking, I'm just gonna put a 3% stop loss. Awesome. Oh, okay. I don't have enough requests. That's not true. Oh, I was in Binance. Okay. Oh, it's not in Bittrex. Whoops. So then I will get out of my request. I will get out my Ethereum from Binance and get that in Bittrex. And then I'll get into that. Yeah, the request in Binance. I'll put my 3% stop loss. Very cool. So now I'll create my portfolio. I'm going to keep some of that money in US dollars just in case the market keeps tanking. I really like this play of being in US dollars at different times because, per se, stuff keeps going down. I'm just going to get in at a better price and consistently be able to have that opportunity. Yeah, I might miss out on some opportunity, but just since the past 3 months have really been a fluctuation of up and down, I like that play of being in partly US dollars. Awesome. So like that just execute all the trades in the background, and now it's gathering my crypto portfolio. Sweet. So here are my bets. I got my Bitcoin, Request Network, Ethereum, OMG, and my Neo. And here are all like the take profits, the stop losses we set. I'll share it with you guys. Let's say 329 port. Hashtag popping off. Awesome. So it's generating the link for me to share with you guys. Sweet. And if you guys like my portfolio, please share. I'll post that at the bottom of the video. Well, we'll see what happens with the portfolio, and I will see you guys next time.